All right, so we're continuing our discussion about selling at your live event or at your teleclass. This really, you would think, goes without saying, but obviously I can't do this series without talking about this because it is something I see predominantly. And that is when you are selling anything from a teleclass or from a live event, it has got to be compelling. It has to be really, really urgently wanted. And I cannot tell you how many people sell something that's just got the limp factor. It's just, I kind of want it, not really so interested in that. It's just not brain sticky at all. There is nothing really, really compelling about it. Or it's kind of compelling, but not super, super compelling where I have to have it. So it is absolutely critical that you create this or you're wasting your time and you won't have conversions. So let's talk a little bit about how you can do that. When you are at a live event or doing a teleseminar, maybe it's been a teleclass that you've been doing over the course of 4 weeks, and it comes time now that it's ending and now you want to upsell to something else. And what you must do is illuminate, shine the light on what is still missing. Yes, they have gotten all this great stuff from you, but this is still missing. Now, at my Secrets of Impact and Influence public speaking training, one of the very first upsells that I did after teaching, years ago, was what I called the advanced training. And the advanced training taught them how to pitch from stage. And what I was able to say to them was, you have just learned the most amazing sequences for electrifying an audience based on the latest brain research. You now know exactly how to get any audience on the edges of their seats, dying for what you're doing and remembering it long. You are the best presenter in your field now. At least you have the keys for it. But when you're up there, you are never going to have a business if you don't know how to sell the next program. So you might have all this great information, but what you don't know is how to sell from the platform. And let me tell you, there is a particular template. I teach them a sequence, 2 sequences in Secrets of Impact and Influence. So they know the power of sequences. So I say to them, there is a sequence as well, an order, the things that you have to do. You must go in this particular order if you really, really want to get conversions. You must know this sequence. And I learned this sequence from one of the top sales performers in the country, bar none. I learned it directly from him, and I am going to give you this template, this sequence. You must know this. Do not go out there knowing everything that I just taught you. Don't then ruin everything by going up there on stage and either not selling at all or trying and fumbling and stumbling in your sales process. You must know this sequence. So there you go. That's what I did with them. You need to do the same thing. You must point out to them that there is a major problem, still facing them, a major problem. So before you even go into your own 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 week long experience that you're training on, before you even do that, you have to know what the upsell, what the next program is. And you have to know where this program leaves off. Where are they? Still not knowing certain things. So make sure that in order to create that urgency that must be there after you have given all your great content and you're about to upsell, it is absolutely imperative that you create the need by having them see what they're facing, the problem they're about to run into, even though they have just spent this amazing time with you. And you better know what it is. And if it's not a really bad wall that they're about to hit, if it's not a really dangerous wall that they're going to slam into, then your offer is going to be very weak. And they're going to be kind of humming and hawing about it. And they're not going to be that interested in it. So make sure that they really are leaving with a problem. And that's what will create the urgency and the dire need for what you have. All right, until next time, I'm Elizabeth Phelps, the Brain Sticky Communications expert.